Today we're going to bring an MP3 player. It's the size of my hand, very small, very petite, plenty of options. We're going to go over some of the options. You got all your regular functions in here to repeat, pause, and play next song, and then your menu button, all right? Now, if you guys notice, there is a volume and a volume down, volume plus, volume down, and then you got your power button up here in the top, all right? Then you got your actual channels here for your headphones, all right? So you could have either or, all right? And then on the side of it, a Type-C to charge it and to transfer. You could transfer MP3s back into the system. So you will put your MP3 through here. It's included with it, if you guys can see that. They give you a 64 gigs memory card, micro SD on it. We're going to transfer a couple of volume. You could actually play with your MP3 and set it up however you want. It also acts as a radio. If you guys notice, I am getting the FM stations, AM, and then it shows you the 80 hertz, and then you could go up the station volume. Other functions are in there. Volume up, volume down. Everything has a visualization, icons. It has a great GUI that you could go into menu. Let's go to menu. Besides radio stations, you got recordings. You could record to the system. You got your settings, your ebook, photos, and videos. So we got plenty of options. And to go through all the options, if you guys can see, you have to use these two. And the center one will be the enter button. So we're going to go to ebooks. We don't have any ebooks right now. Upload lists. We don't have anything. So we're going to go back. And then we're going to go photos. We don't have any photos yet, but you can see that. Go back. Calendar. We got calendar. We got alarm clock, music, folder, FM, Bluetooth, recording, settings, and so forth. So you got a lot of options you can do that. Right now, we're going to set it up. We're going to download MP3 player and we're going to play through using the speakers so you guys can hear the quality of it, right? So I like the buttons all around. The power button is huge, all right? There's plenty of buttons here and you could feed it. So this is a great MP3 player. You can load it up with your whole music library in here and take it to go anywhere on the travel. If you're a DJ and you want to have something as a backup, this is a great item to have. So unfortunately, a lot of MP3 players, people have their phones now these days, but you want to stand alone, and this has great features. All right, so we're gonna set it up with our Bluetooth with our speaker here. So we're gonna turn it on, and we're gonna go ahead and crank this up, and we're gonna do a search Bluetooth, all right? And we're gonna see if we can find it right now. And there it is. It found it automatically. I'm gonna push play on that one, match it, and we're gonna sync it up. All right. So this is on our external speaker. All right, now we're able to go back to the main menu if you want. Just keep going out. And then we're gonna go back to our music. Let's go to our music. We're gonna go to our folders that we have in here. Go in there. Local card folder. We can see card. So we're gonna go in there. We're gonna go our folder that we have in here. We created a folder called YT. All right. Then we're gonna play something in there. We're gonna play something, and it's gonna play on the speaker. And there it is. Put it on. Let me show you another feature, the recording itself. We're going to go in there and we're going to start recording. We're going to say you have to wait, please wait. So it's going to start recording. You could use this as a recorder too. So if you're going to be filming out in the woods or anywhere in the field, this is something you can do. So we're going to start it right now. Test 1, 2, 3, test 1. And we have so much time to spare in the video. If you guys can see it. Test 1, 2, 3, test. We stop it. And then we go back. And then do you want to save it? Yes. We're going to go ahead and save it. And then we could go ahead and check our storage space. Get that one. Internal memory. Storage. Internal memory. We don't have anything there. Recording libraries. Let's go to recording. And that's the one that we just saved. I'm going to play that one.
Something you can do. So we're going to start it. We go test 1, 2, 3, test 1. And we have so much time to spare in there. If you guys can see it. Test 1, 2, 3, test.
And that's the recording we have.
So we're going to start it.
Overall, the options that you have are endless to do stuff on the control. Very simple. Heavy duty. Go add your own music. Your own. It lasts you for many hours. Bluetooth enabled. As you can see, we set up the Bluetooth. It was enabled. You could record out of this one. You could external out to an audio connection. You could have your headsets connected. Buttons are really easy to access. very durable. I like it. I like the glass enclosure that it has. Heavy duty MP3 player. So it has a lot of multiple options. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.